All right, my peeps. Um, what's it? Maybe like 2 nights ago. Yeah, 2 nights ago. Um, me and my niece, we busted a mission, and we went to Northridge, and I got this paint, and it's for the floor. So I'm gonna paint the garage, and I'm gonna do like patterns and a design. And I got one set here. So the lady that's her trade, that's her, passion, that's her career. She's been doing it for like 20 years, 20 plus years. And she told me if I wait for her until late mid-November, she could help me out and she could show me and teach me how to go about it. So we could do it together and could add color to the floor. So I told her, sure, I'll wait for you because she's on a business trip. And it's all part of her job, so that's cool. She travels and she does be artistic about it and express herself. But yeah, so I got this for free, and I'm gonna wait for her, and I'm gonna try to get some more floor paint, and then I also want to paint not just the garage, but I want to hook up the house. You know how I am. So that's that. But what I want to go ahead and do is I want to paint even all of this, the whole driveway, all these 12 by 12s, these pavers, make it all colorful. I'm gonna get wood chips at the wood chips here, and all the walkway. Do patterns in different colors because there's different squares, right? Divided by sections. The seams. So all these squares, this whole square, all this gonna be painted color. And I gotta do something about this. It's just rug. So that's what I want to do. I want to go ahead and paint, and even maybe these, paint them different colors. Yeah, so I want to add color to all of this and do it for free because like I do everything for free. And what I'm gonna do also, that's talking about painting, paint these. Maybe like a light green, super light green, and then do like darker like vines, and then do different color flowers and make it colorful. So it could kind of blend in and camouflage. Because it looks tacky. Right now they're full of dirt, dirt. I haven't seen them because either way they're not permanent. It's not a permanent structure. So it's either way this, I'm actually gonna build something out of wood. Here and for the middle, and just it's gonna be supported all badass. Because the wind and the rain and all that, it's gonna knock this down because this is not stable. It's not secure. So I'm gonna paint all of that, and it's gonna look beautiful, very artistic. So that's the same thing. I got an idea for painting the driveway, the walkway, and all. Oh, and then she's a permaculturalist too. Jennifer, the lady that gave me the free paint, and she gave me these. I don't know. These things seem expensive. I'm pretty sure if you go to Home Depot and you find out how much are these. Pretty heavy. They're beautiful bases. I think they're 20, 15 gallon. No, they're 20 gallons maybe. And I gotta text her and ask her what what she told me, but and they have like a specific. They throw an order at night, so yeah. So one of them is gonna go into the gazebo, and then one of them is gonna go into where the Toyota trellis vine thing is gonna be at. Yeah. So I came up. You know, you just gotta clean them up. Even maybe retouch them if we find a, or even paint them up and make them look even more badass. But yeah, so I got these for free. And what does that do? Yeah, so they're supposed to, throw like some type of like aroma or like a like a natural incense, and give a pleasant odor at night. So they're like shady areas too. But yeah, so I got these for free. All right, my piece. So that's that with the free paint and then that come up, and this is all part of my projects.